All right, welcome back. Here's the rundown for PCM this week, May 18th through the 22nd. So today, in addition to watching this video, please watch the notes for day 2 of 7.3. And your homework is worksheet 7.3, day 2. That is actually due on Tuesday. On Tuesday, I'll run a help session at 10 a.m. Use the access code PCM on Google Meets. That's open to any and all of you guys who want to participate. And then worksheet 7.3 again is due. On Wednesday, we'll have the video for the homework for 7.4 on determinants. That is a 1 day of notes presentation and 1 homework assignment for 7.4. That'll be due Thursday. Again, on Thursday, you'll have a help session in the morning if you have questions on 7.4. And then have a review worksheet 7.1, 7.4 that's due on Friday. Again, if you have questions on that, you could ask during the help session on Thursday. All right, that's your week. Take care.